A flower mix is an easy-to-use mix of different types of flowers. Our mixes offer early and long-lasting flowering. This is how to get the best results. Soil preparation is vital, and the temperature needs to be warm before sowing. Nighttime temperatures need to be above 8 degrees centigrade, and daytime temperatures need to be above 18 degrees centigrade. Flower mixes can be sown from beginning of May until early summer. Do not sow on a plot that is already cultivated, such as a field or a lawn. A seed needs to be in contact with the soil and be slightly covered in order to germinate. To sow your plants, you'll need a motor cultivator, rake, roller, and watering equipment. Depending on the surface, use the spade or motor cultivator to dig over the soil about 15 to 20 centimeters deep. Air the surface and thin the soil using a fine rake. A good way of getting rid of weeds is by preparing a stale seedbed. Prepare the soil, water the bed, then allow the weeds to grow for 10 days or so. Then dig them in. Sowing by hand is best. Before sowing, shake the bag to mix the seeds well. Mix the seeds with a neutral material such as sand. Use a ratio of 3 parts of inert material to 1 part of flower seed. Sow by hand, making sure you cast the seeds in different directions to avoid large piles of seeds. 1 handful of seed will cover 1 to 2 square meters. If you're sowing large areas, divide into several subplots of the same size. Make sure you spread the seeds evenly over the entire area. Rake over lightly and pat down with the roller or the back of the rake. When finished, water using a fine rose. Water just 2 or 3 times during the first fortnight to encourage seed growth. You will need to sow thicker if the plot cannot be watered, if the soil is well drained, or if you sow early. Flowering starts 50 to 60 days after seedlings emerge and lasts for 3 to 4 months. These flowers do not require water, fertilizers, or any other treatment. Let the flowers live their lives and the resulting ecosystem will flourish.